Today I'm going to show you how to make a super hot chili pepper design in just 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes, faster than cooking instant noodles. Step 1, bring in the chili. Step 2, add some flavor. Text. Now, pick the text tool and write whatever you want right on that chili. It could be your name, your crush's name, or just "I'm spicy." Totally up to you. Adjust it nicely on the chili. Don't be shy. Step 3. Shape it like a pro. Okay, here's the magic. Right-click on your text layer and hit Convert to Shape. Boom! Now right-click again, choose Warp, and bend that text around the chili like it's hugging it. Give it some curves, make it look extra hot. Step 4. Layer Magic. Now we're almost 80% done. Hold Control, select both layers. Yes, both. Add a new solid color layer. Put the solid layer in the middle, text under it, chili on top. It's like a design sandwich. Step 5. The spicy reveal. All right, final trick. Select the brush tool and start brushing on the solid layer. Boom, watch as your chili magically appears like Aladdin's genie lamp, except instead of a genie, you get spicy vibes. And that's it. See? Making a chili pepper design is easier than eating one. Our design is complete. Now it's time for our channel's completion. All I need is your subscribe. So smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and drop a comment telling me what you want to see next. Until then, stay spicy and see you in the next video.